Hey Tom, this is Bradley Nickel. I work with Boostridge Media, a local digital marketing company here in the Appleton area. I was doing some research, came across your website, and figured I'd just shoot you guys a quick video just giving you some tips and tricks on how you can boost your online presence. Um, just a little bit about myself. I am a certified welding inspector, and I'm a degreed welding engineer, and I've got quite a background in fabrication myself. So with this marketing, I really just want, or I've got a goal to help as many machine shops, fabrication shops, places like that as I can, take their business to the next level, get more traffic coming to your site, more customers coming in your door. So anyway, with that, um, hopefully at the end of this video, you can see I've got some tricks up my sleeve. I can really help you guys grow, get more customers. But at the end of the day, if all you do is take these free tips and tricks, I would hope you would use them and be able to benefit from that. All I ask is that you would just give me some feedback on this video. So the first tip is, like I said, I was doing some research, looked up Machine Shop, Appleton, Wisconsin. And the first thing you come to is you see these sponsored ads. Below that, here's the Google Map Pack. And this is where businesses can list their business, and it shows up here on the map. You can see the Appleton area, and really 90% of people that are on their phone or computer looking up businesses aren't going to go past these top three. So you can click in here and scroll down and look for your business or look for other businesses. But again, if you're not in the top three, you're missing out on a lot of traffic. One big thing that's going to help get your site or your business profile listed on this map section is going to be citations. And that's anywhere that your business's name, address, and phone number is listed on sites such as Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Facebook, things like that. And the more that you have, more profiles you have with these different websites, the more your site can be boosted, the more likely it is to be at the top here. The next thing you see as you scroll down is what's called organic listings. The percentage isn't quite as high, but maybe 70 to 75% of people aren't going to go past that top three listings. So again, if you're you know, down here, on these top 10, you might get some traffic, but anywhere past that, people really aren't scrolling down to see these different businesses. So really want to get you into those top three positions. One big thing to do here is backlinks. So things like news articles, blog posts, anything like that where in the post they have a link back to your website, that is called a backlink. And any backlink you have, the more you have, again, the more you can get boosted to the top of this organic section. The third thing is going to be here on your site. Google really likes to see a bare minimum of 1,000 words on your home page. So I like how this looks. You've got your logo, you've got some links to your back pages, some information about you guys. You scroll down, there's maybe 100 words here. So to come in here and really add a lot of solid content about who you guys are, what you do, your services, and making that content with lots of keywords. So, I searched machine shop Appleton, Wisconsin. So that right there should show up right here on your home page. Somewhere on your home page, you need to have different keywords like that. I like to actually use a tool called Ahrefs. It helps me kind of gauge the competition where they're at. So this is your Ahrefs profile. You look over here at the DR and the UR. That's Google's trust in your website and how strong they think your website is. Okay, you really want these to be pretty close to the same. The DR is pretty low, so Google might see that you've got a little bit of strength in your website, but there's no trust there. So those things that we talked about are going to be what help get that trust. Backlinks, you've got 26 backlinks, 5 referring domains, and 7 keywords. If you look over here at Bomb Machine, this was what I found to be one of your top competitors. Kind of similar layout. They've got all the backlinks here, some pictures of their shop. Not a whole lot of content here either, so really shouldn't be too hard to beat out this competition. If you look over there, Ahrefs, they've got a 6 and a 6 for their trust and strength. Okay, so you see they've got 79 backlinks, 25 referring domains, and 32 keywords. So a fair amount more than what you guys have. So being able to come in and get more backlinks, more domains, not just meeting the competition, but actually going above and beyond and beating them. So, and there's just a few things that you guys can do to boost your listing, to get more customers coming in the door through your website, different avenues. Again, those are citations, backlinks, and the content on your website. I'd hope to be able to work with you guys, but again, if nothing else, at least take these tips and better your business from them. I'll be reaching out here shortly to talk to you about the video, see what your thoughts are. Talk to you soon.